Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on Pasquini. We replaced some of the electrical with the relay as well as the control board. Did some work on the group head. Some nice test coffee in there. Go on ahead. Tempted a little uneven for the there we go. We'll just cut that one a little short. Nice shot. We'll go ahead and check the steam. Quick little purge. Nice strong steam. Turns right off. Nice water. Asking for water. Well, there you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to our page.